How to start a meal prep business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a meal prep business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. If you're passionate about healthy eating, enjoy cooking, and want to make a positive impact on people's lives, this is the perfect venture for you. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Define your niche and target audience. Before starting any business, it's essential to understand who you're serving and what makes your meal prep business unique. Are you focusing on specialized dietary needs, such as gluten-free, vegan, or keto? Or maybe you want to cater to busy professionals or families? Knowing your target audience will help you tailor your menu and marketing efforts accordingly. Step 2. Develop a strong business plan. A business plan is crucial for outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It will also help you secure funding if needed. Include details such as your mission statement, menu options, pricing, marketing strategies, and operational logistics. Be sure to research your competitors and find ways to differentiate yourself. Step 3. Obtain the necessary permits and licenses. To run a meal prep business, you'll likely need permits and licenses, depending on your location. Check with your local health department to understand the specific requirements for food handling, preparation, and packaging. Compliance with regulations is vital to ensure the safety and quality of your meals. Step 4. Create a delicious and balanced menu. Now comes the exciting part, designing your menu. Focus on offering a variety of healthy and flavorful options. Consider dietary restrictions, portion sizes, and nutritional value. Experiment with different recipes, source high-quality ingredients, and don't forget to get feedback from potential customers to refine your offerings. Step 5. Build an online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Create a professional website or landing page where customers can view your menu, place orders, and learn more about your business. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your delicious meals, engage with your audience, and run promotional campaigns. Step 6. Establish efficient operations and supply chain. To ensure a smooth and successful meal prep business, you need to establish efficient operations. Determine your production capacity, optimize your workflow, and implement systems for inventory management and order fulfillment. Building strong relationships with reliable suppliers is also essential to maintain a steady flow of fresh ingredients. Step 7. Perfect packaging and delivery. Packaging plays a vital role in delivering a positive customer experience. Invest in high-quality, eco-friendly containers that maintain the freshness and presentation of your meals. Consider offering delivery services or partnering with local delivery platforms to reach a wider customer base. Step 8. Provide outstanding customer service. Exceptional customer service is the key to success in any business. Ensure your customers feel valued and appreciated by offering prompt responses to inquiries, addressing concerns, and resolving issues. Encourage feedback and reviews to continuously improve your service and build long-lasting relationships. Starting a meal prep business requires dedication, creativity, and a passion for good food. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a thriving venture that nourishes and delights your customers. Remember, success comes from hard work, so don't be afraid to take that first step. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.